So you might be in a position where you're getting a little prompt like this on Google Drive, where it says this video cannot be played or this video is not able to be accessed or anything remotely close to that. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing in this case is to make sure that your specific video that you're playing has been fully uploaded to Google Drive. There have been tons of times where I personally would even upload a thing to Google Drive and the video will not be fully uploaded. So just make sure you give it a little bit of time. It doesn't have to be immediate, but just make sure that video has been uploaded completely and then go ahead and make sure it's been, you can go and see it. You may also want to make sure you don't interrupt that upload. You want to make sure you're not going through and actually stopping the upload midway, where the person who's uploading the video is also not stopping the upload and is only uploading a portion of the video or a corrupted file. Those are some things to keep in mind. Google Drive can also open up a majority of videos files, but if it's a weird extension, then that may not work either. Now, another thing that happens sometimes, and I've personally had this happen to me too, is that the video goes through this processing, portion in Google Drive. So as soon as you update or upload the video to Google Drive, it goes through this 5-minute or 5-second processing portion, which can be a little annoying. So if I were you, once you are done uploading the video, if you're trying to watch it immediately, again, that may not be the best thing to do. So what I would recommend doing, again, is just waiting out a little bit of time, and that video may end up actually going through, be working fine if it's like an MP4 file or whatever. You may just have to give it a little bit of time for it to actually fully upload. So that is another thing you can try doing as well. Now on top of that, you may just want to make sure Google and or their servers aren't actually down. This happens every once in a while. You can go to Twitter and see if Google is down as trending. You can see if other Google products like Google Messages or other things are down too, but Google never really has servers down. But if they would, you can go to isitdown.com or downdetector.com like this one and see if Google is on here. If it's like number 1 or number 2, then that probably means, that's the reason why you cannot see your files. But that is another thing. If it's on here, you'd pretty much just have to wait a few minutes or probably wait a few hours until they fix it. But that's pretty much how to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.